Halawani. I'm the Enterprise Commercial Solutions Lead for Microsoft UAE. So in this year's edition of JISEC, we're focusing on how Microsoft is bringing the power of generative AI into the cybersecurity domain. As you know, I think AI has been taking the world by storm, and we're basically building AI capabilities in all our software categories. So our AI is presenting a lot of opportunities for businesses and in accelerating digital transformation. It's bringing also some threats, because AI landing in the wrong hands could be also dangerous, and we're starting to see how AI is changing the threat landscape. So we're using AI also now as a first layer of defense with our customers, and we're building security products that rely heavily on bringing the power of AI into the cyber defense system. So we're launching Security Copilot.
Security
Copilot.
Copilot.
It's just basically, it's just been released to the world, and this is one of the things that we're showcasing in JISEC this year. Certainly. So think of it as a virtual assistant that augments cyber security professionals to do their job better and to be able to respond timely to the ever-changing attacks. When we talk about AI changing the speed and scale of attacks, you would need also an AI power to detect, analyze, and respond quickly. And that's exactly what we're doing with Security for Copilot for Security. So we process more than 65 trillion threat signals every day. There's no human power that can take actionable insights and build a response strategy based on that. So that's why we feed all of this into the Security Copilot, who basically guides and assists the cybersecurity professionals on what they need to do to keep a safe environment and how to respond to attacks. So it's built on GPT-4, the OpenAI models that were trained specifically on cybersecurity data to be able to assist cybersecurity professionals. It is meant for cybersecurity professionals, CISOs and their teams, SEC operations, cyber defense, basically teams can all make use of Security Copilot. So we're seeing a lot of excitement from customers. Actually, in UAE, we've had basically more than 10 customers part of the early adoption program who've been experimenting and testing with Security Copilot for the last few months. So there's a lot of excitement around it, and I think we're showcasing also Copilot during JISEC and receiving very positive feedback from customers already. Yeah, and honestly, it's this basically domain is ever changing and always evolving, and it's really difficult to basically learn it once and live with it. It's something you need to continue to learn and update yourself, because it's evolving all the time. We always say in Microsoft, cybersecurity is not a problem you solve, it's something you need to manage. Which means you just need to make sure that you continuously are, up your game, you're up to date, and you're able to deal with the evolving threats and techniques. And to that point, we continuously build technology, tools like Copilot to assist customers and partners in how to respond effectively to the evolving attacks. But also we focus a lot on the skill side, I think, in upskilling our customers, because it's always in need for updating the skill set and updating customers with the threat landscapes and all the tools that we're releasing to manage those. So continuous learning is key, and I think building awareness for all basically employees in any organization is critical. So there is a minimum level of awareness that has to exist, and that's the first layer of defense for any organization. And we release programs even for our customers, similar to what we use internally, on how to build awareness at scale within an organization. How do we equip people with fundamentals on basically how to detect malicious intent, malicious emails, websites, links that are trying to use social engineering to guide employees elsewhere. So that minimum level of knowledge that everyone, not only cybersecurity professionals, but everyone has to possess, also is something that we need to continuously educate employees around. And we have programs that we make available for our customers on how to educate your employees and keep them up to date from what they need to know.